Hi there! In today's video we will showcase the top 5 best billiard gloves you can buy this year. Let's start! Roaming Billiard Gloves. At number 1, we have the Roaming Billiard Gloves. These gloves are made of 82% polyester, 1% PU, and 17% elastane, making them elasticized, breathable, quick-drying, and skin-friendly. The materials used are flexible and moisture-wicking, ensuring great comfort and a good fit for your hand. These gloves come with an open finger design and a non-slip heel pad on the palm for a more stable bridge, and a high-quality wrist Velcro for easy adjustments and removal. They come only for your left hand and are designed to fit right-handed players. Suitable for billiard shooters, pool, snooker cue, and carom players, these roaming billiard gloves are a great choice. Cuesoul Billiards Gloves. At number 2 on our list is the Cuesoul Billiards Gloves. Made from a blend of spandex and cotton, these gloves are elasticized at the wrist to ensure a comfortable fit on either hand. They are flexible, breathable, and provide smooth strokes, preventing sweat and humidity from affecting your game. The gloves come in a pack of 10, all in black, and one size fits most adults. Ideal for amusement parks, billiard halls, and family gatherings. By reducing the pressure between your palm and the cue, they enable an accurate stroke, enhancing your confidence. You can easily focus on your game and enjoy more fun without sweating. The Cuesoul Billiards Gloves are available in black, as well as red, green, and blue. Kanui Billiard Gloves. At number 3, we have the Kanui Billiard Gloves. Designed for peace and history, these incredible billiard gloves come for both hands and offer the player the total control and stability of the bridge to play the shot easily. Essential for having the perfect fluidity in the game, these gloves allow you deep focus into the shots in the game. These are perfect gloves to release intense pressure and to eliminate external factors like humidity and sweat from your hands to provide you with the fluid ability to hit every ball. Made from stretchable and smooth fabrics, these gloves fit perfectly into your hands and you will not feel any trouble wearing them for long sessions. Lion Helper Billiard Gloves. Rounding up our list at number 4, we have the Lion Helper Billiard Gloves. Available in both black and blue, these gloves are made of high-quality spandex and polyester, offering a comfortable fit with no wrinkles that never feels restrictive. The palm is fashioned with breathable butterfly mesh material, keeping your hand cool and perspiration-free, while the suede and non-slip silicone provide a stable grip on the table. With a classic 3-finger design, these gloves give your bridge hand more control and stability, letting you feel the table for greater realism. However, these gloves only come as one piece for the left hand and are not available as a pair. Sized for adult hands, they are approximately 10.04 by 5.98 by 0.67 inches and weigh 1.44 ounces. Konllen Billiards Gloves. These Konllen Billiards gloves come in a pack of 3 and are made from lycra and spandex, giving them good elasticity and a comfortable fit. They have an open finger design, which allows your fingers to breathe and prevent sweating. They are available for both left and right-handed players and have a non-slip pad on the palm to give you better control of the cue. The exposed fingertips provide for a better grip, reducing miscues significantly. They give you a smooth and controlled stroke, ensuring you hit every shot accurately. Suitable for both amateurs and professionals, they come with an adjustable Velcro strap that keeps them in place, so you don't have to adjust the gloves during a game. We hope you've enjoyed our video on the best billiard gloves. Thanks for watching.